Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are in the Myob Online version as opposed to the hybrid account write version. So this is the newer version of Myob that a lot of new users will be using, and today we're going to show you how to write off a bad debt. So if you issue a sale to a customer and for one reason or another that invoice is not going to get paid, you need to then write that off as unrecoverable, a bad debt. So first things first, let's go raise an invoice. So we go to sales, invoices, we go create invoice. We'll just write in we'll save that, and let's write up the invoice here. So we'll just say this stuff isn't really important for the purpose of the video. I'll just put any data in here. $100 invoice. There probably would be GST on that. So 110 total when you factor in GST. And we'll save that. So we've raised the invoice, we've sent it off to the customer, and they are refusing to pay. So now we're going to record a bad debt. So let's go create invoice again. We'll type in the customer's name, test customer. Account category is bad debts. Write off invoice is the description here, and it is for the full amount, $110, but we're going to do it for a negative. So we put a negative in the units column here, and then we have minus $110. We're going to go save that. And we have a message here that says, if you save, you'll be creating a customer credit as the balance due is negative. So we'll click on save. So what we have now is we have the original invoice for $100, and then we just entered a bad debt for the negative amount for negative $100 plus GST, so 110 total for both invoices. And now we need to offset this bad debt, this credit that we just created. You can see credit up here as well, against the original invoice. So let's go to sales, sales returns and credits. This is the one we just entered, the negative amount. And we're going to click on apply. It has automatically brought up this 9233 invoice. This was the original invoice, because what it does, it links the customer that we have used, the card file for the customer, which in this example is test customer. So all the invoices that we have created that are outstanding for this customer here are listed here, which is just the one there that we created in this video. So we have a credit here for $110. We're going to apply the full $110 against this 9233 invoice. That was the original invoice. So I'll type in 110 in the amount applied, tab out of that, and click record. Successfully created apply to sale. So we offset that credit, which was the bad debt, against the sale. So now if we go to invoices, if we do a search for that original invoice 9233, we will see that it has been paid, status paid. And if we were to run a P&L now, it would show that you'd have $110 as income for 9233 invoice, and then in the expense section you would have $110 for bad debts, or rather it's going to be $100 after you take out the $10 GST on both the sale and the expense. So there'll be $100 as a bad debt, offsetting that sale, which nets off to zero. So the net effect to your profit and loss is zero, but you're going to see the original sale plus the bad debt coming off. So that's basically how you do it. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how to use Myob Online, head over to our website qtraining.net.au. You can book in a one-on-one training session there and we can show you everything that you're wanting to learn. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.